Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to The Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. It's great to have you here. We're here every morning for the opening bell and then in the afternoon for the closing bell. What we do here, unlike a lot of other channels, is I share my real trades, my real money. This is my portfolio. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my word for any of this, but this is what I'm actually doing. This is what I'm actually trading. I don't give professional financial advice. I just share with you my real trades. I have a wonderful community here of fellow traders have all been successful with their trades. They trade with you live here every morning and every afternoon, opening and closing bell. And we discuss the stocks of the day and trade with you and share with you our real trades, our real money. This is my portfolio right now. I've grown this from 5,000 to 51,000 in 5 months. We're down just a little bit at the moment. The last couple of weeks have been down a little bit. But as you can see, we're still doing pretty well. Okay, if you're watching me over there on TikTok and you want to be part of the main show, you can't actually see my trading screens. To see my trading screens, you click the profile icon right here, and then you'll see my YouTube link on my profile. Just click that, and within 5 seconds, you will be in YouTube in the live chat, and you can see my trading screens and be part of the main show and ask the questions that you want to ask about Bitcoin and stocks and shares to all our experts and people that trade with me every morning, every afternoon, in the live chat. That's the very, very best way for you to be part of it. All right. Click subscribe and ring the bell if it's your very first time here. Thank you very much indeed. You want to click the bell because we've got some special events coming up shortly which won't be scheduled, and you'll miss them if you don't ring the bell. Okay, very, very important. And as we are a brand new channel trying to get ourselves off the ground, we've gone from 0 to nearly 1,400 subscribers in just 7 weeks. Very, very good. Very, very fast growth there, like our portfolio. Give us a thumbs up. That always helps the channel grow if you give us a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. There you go. There's the thumbs up button. Right. Okay, let's get into the meat of our stocks and shares this morning. Okay, we have 49,000 right now. This is the value of my portfolio. For those of you over on TikTok, just click the profile and you'll be right here in YouTube. You'll see the YouTube link right on my profile, right behind this icon. Just click it there, 5 seconds, you'll be in YouTube and you can see my trading screens. All right, let's go through my stocks and shares this morning. This is my portfolio I'll share with you all. Let's go to the right and let's have a look at it. We've got just 27 minutes before the bell goes. Expect some action today. Amazon is up 0.08 this morning. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.02. Tesla is down 0.01. Facebook is down 0.025. Apple down 0.01, very, very slightly. Not a lot going on. Coke 0.04. AT&T is dead flat this morning. Disney is 0.07. Let me just adjust my seat. That's better. Vanguard is down 0.21. Okay. Google is flat this morning, no change from yesterday. Microsoft down 0.04. McDonald's down 0.19. Walmart is down 0.02, so you can get an idea. Most things are moving down. Virgin Galactic, positive signs this morning, up 0.45. That's my best position right now. Remember, the shares were devalued, and I lost about 16% on the value. So I bought the dip, and we're now waiting to see that recover. But that's perfectly acceptable because the company have used the money to reinvest. So there we go. Virgin Galactic is down, up very slightly. So my position is nearly now. If you're over on YouTube, you will see it on the screen right now, my Virgin position. And you will see I'm up 0.45 today, which is overall down 16%. I've got $6,000. It's 12.5% of my portfolio invested in this. So I'm looking to see when they fix that part, and I'm sure they will very shortly, we'll see the stock price increase. Ford Motor Company, great, up 0.45 today. That's absolutely great. Rolls-Royce up 2% today. Very, very good. We're now up to 11.5% now on Rolls-Royce. Wonderful stuff. Robinhood is up 0.19 today. Great stuff. Lucid Group, wow, having such a fantastic day. I used to have a very big position in Lucid, and it's doing very, very well. It's really, really doing well. There's no doubt about that. The Lucid Group have a great car, and they're going to be coming out shortly. Harpoon Therapeutics is flat right now. I'm looking to get out of that position. Carnival is up 0.74 today, and that's good. Exos 1.62, not bad at all. I'm still down 19% on that one though, but good to see it moving up. McAfee is up. Is flat this morning. Rev Group, I bought one single share of this yesterday, and it's flat. Right now I'm down 1.55. Okay. On semiconductor, that is up 0.16 this morning. Again, just a single share, just to get a feel for the market. But there we go. Rocket Lab USA, same thing. I just bought one share there, and just down very slightly, but it's up today 0.38. And finally, Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is down 1.5%. So bearing in mind that Bitcoin is my biggest position right now, the fact that's down today 1.5%, which is $112, I would actually be 49.1, over 49.1 today. So that would be very, very good. Very, very pleased with that. Okie dokie. In the live chat right now, if you've just come into the live chat, come on in and say hello. Let me know you're here. Give us a thumbs up, and let's discuss the news of the day. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. We've got a few new stocks to look at today as well. Some pre-IPOs that are going to take place on YouTube very shortly. And here we go. Stock futures fall slightly as investors brace for more volatility this September. Well, this came out yesterday, and it's been updated 27 minutes ago. So this is pretty recent information. Name an NBA team for an edit. What does that mean? I have no idea what that means. NBA just wrote in the chat, name an NBA team for an edit. I don't even understand what that comment means. I'm sorry. If you explain that to me again, I'll answer it. Happy to answer your questions. But on TikTok, I have no idea what you're telling me, what that actually means. All right, so there we go. Let's look at this news here. Stock markets, stock futures were lower on Friday. For those of you watching on TikTok, if you want to see my trades, just click the profile link right here, and then you will see my YouTube link, and that's where we're trading. That's where you can see my trading screens. You can't see that on the phone, so come over to YouTube if you'd like to be part of the chat and part of what's going on. All right, brace for more volatility this September. Well, we've had some, but let's have a look at it. Stock futures were lower on Friday as investors remain cautious due to a resurgent COVID virus. A Federal Reserve meeting next week, and historical tendency for September to be a weak month for equities. It's going to be a difficult time for everybody right now. We know that, but I do believe that things are improving. Things are getting better. So, I think got to be positive and optimistic about the future, most certainly. Things are much brighter now in Europe, much brighter in Europe, in the UK, and things will improve here in America. I'm sure of that. The Dow futures lost 22 points. S&P 500 futures. Good morning, Bill. Made it. Wife's one day a month into work. Kiddo to school. Needed gas. Grabs comfy chair in the corner and watches the show. Welcome, Bill. Lovely to have you here. Fantastic. All right. Smash the like button now you're here. And if we've got new people coming across from TikTok, which I think we have, give us a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell. And I'm asking you to ring the bell right now because in a couple of weeks' time, we're going to have some impromptu events. Not going to be normal time. Some stuff you'd miss out on unless you ring the bell. All right, time for a cup of tea. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. And then we'll be into our main trading hours. All right, did that first thing. I can see that, Bill. Okay, so some of the volatility that comes during September is often surrounding so-called quadruple witching. Quadruple witching, which occurs at the close Friday. This is the expiration of stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and single stock futures. We expect volatility to increase over the next month, driven by a seasonal pickup in investor uncertainty, continued virus uncertainty, and significant monetary and fiscal policy catalysts, wrote John Marshall, head of derivatives research for Goldman Sachs. In a note Friday, Marshall cited data showing S&P 500 volatility typically increased by 27% from August to October. I don't take a lot of what these guys say. Remember Lehman Brothers? Remember the big banks of the world? They lost billions. They put people out of work. They caused the credit crunch in the UK. I don't take a lot of what these people say. It's been proven time and time again. If you got a monkey and they picked 100 stocks, they'd probably do better than most hedge funders. So that's a fact. I'm not too worried about speculation of doom and gloom. I always like to look on a positive approach, have a well-balanced, diverse portfolio. Don't get greedy. Don't try and time the market. Just steady growth. I know I'm a day trader, but I'm also a swing and long-term investor as well. And that's how I've grown my portfolio. Let me just go back to it and show you. This is my portfolio. I've grown this portfolio from 5,000 to 51. It's dropped to 49 right now. Steady growth. Some speculative stocks, yes, absolutely, but most of it very sensible, very calm, and a lot of things. Some of my most speculative stocks, people will say, the most risky stocks, are actually some of the my most successful. For example, Bitcoin. Let me show you my Bitcoin position. This is my where is my Bitcoin position? Let me show you. Here it is. This is my Bitcoin position. It's currently $2,500 profit. $2,500 profit. The total investment is $8,861. I have 0.18 of a Bitcoin. Remember, you can fractional share. You don't have to own the entire coin. I don't know anybody who actually does, but some of you may, I'm sure. Some people do, of course. Michael Saylor has lots of them, but I only have 0.18. But for me, that's 17.5, in fact, 18% of my portfolio. So it's quite a significant part of my portfolio. So there we go. So anyway, very quiet today in the chat, isn't it, Bill? Where's all the team today? We've got no one here today. It's very, very quiet on the show today. Very, very quiet Friday. Is it a holiday today? Is there something going on? It's not obviously not a state holiday, bank holiday or nothing like that. All right, we've got just 17 minutes to go before the bell goes. Starting to see an increase now. Let's have a look. In the last few moments, we've started to see a little uptake. My buying power right now is 768. I'm not looking to spend any money. In fact, I'm looking to sell because I wish to get ready for the biggest IPO of the decade. Rivian with Amazon, backed by Ford. I believe it's going to be the biggest IPO of the decade, and I want to get money out to be able to invest in that. So wherever I've got a profit, I'm looking to take those profits right now. So I could sell a lot of things right now. Anything that's really up at the moment, we shall see. We shall see what we do. I mean, I've got a lot of positions here. I need to make some money within the next month, so there's no rush. Never rush things. Calm approach to all of my investing. Let's go back to that news we were talking about, the market going down. Getting breakfast for Bentley ready. Sorry, that's okay, Bill. You carry on, mate. Take care of the dog. Very, very important. He's taking care of the dog. I love it. Okay. The Census Bureau reported Thursday that August retail sales increased 0.7% for the month against a Dow Jones estimate of a decline of 0.8%. However, the retail sales beat the resale series beat came after the initial estimate for July was revised down sharply from a month-over-month gain of 0.5 to a decline of 1.8. There we go. A separate economic report showed that weekly jobless claims increased to 332,000 for the week ended September 11th. According to the Labour Department, the Dow Jones estimate was for 320,000. Let's have a slight adjustment here a minute. Let me just adjust this. Okay, I'm just going to correct that. There we go. That's better. Yeah, I'm not too concerned. Anybody concerned about that? I think it's all optimistic right now, as long as you have a diverse portfolio. Now, I'd like to address my friends over there on TikTok. You're watching on TikTok, but you're actually only seeing part of the story. In fact, you don't see any of the story. I would like to share with you my real money, my real trades, what I'm actually investing in and what I'm actually doing. So if you click the profile link just here, you will find my YouTube icon, YouTube link on the profile. Just click on that and you'll be, within 5 seconds, you'll be in YouTube and you can see my trading screens. TikTok allows me to go from my phone, whereas in my studio here, I'm able to broadcast from my studio and share all my screens. On TikTok, it's just my phone, so you're actually missing out. So if you want to see what I'm actually trading on, what I'm actually doing, then please come over to YouTube and you'll see my trading screens. All right, and see my actual real money. It's a much better experience for you. Let me go down my my full portfolio. I often get asked, what is my portfolio? What have I got that's grown from 5 to 49,000 in 5 months? Well, I will share with you exactly that. Here is my portfolio. And if you want to see this now on the screen, you need to be in YouTube. So click the profile here, click on the YouTube link. Right, so I have Amazon, I have Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Facebook. Now, these top 10 are the ones I never sell. These are ones when I say never sell, if I want to raise funds, then I will because of Rivian. But typically, once I'm in them, I just stay in them. These are long-term investments, right? Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google, Microsoft, McDonald's. Now we move outside of my top 10, but nevertheless, shares to keep forever. We've got a good crowd on TikTok now. None of you have yet come into the live chat on YouTube. I want to share with you what I'm actually doing. You can't actually see anything. Click the profile link here, and you'll see my YouTube link on the profile. Hello from the Philippines, young Faz, how are you? If you hop into the link here, the YouTube link's right on my profile. Hi Benjamin here. What platform do you use? I use Robinhood, and you can see it. If you just click the profile link here, click the YouTube icon, you'll be with me in 5 seconds and you can actually see what I'm trading. All right, so Walmart, let's carry on going down. McDonald's, yep. We're outside my top 10 now. Now I'm moving on to shares that I got, which some of these I'll keep, but most of these are to make money to be able to then reinvest in something else. Virgin Galactic down 16%, as you can see, but that's the best position I've been in since they devalued. Ford, Rolls-Royce. Ford, I want to get out of Ford. Rolls-Royce, MasterCard, PayPal, United Airlines, Builder, Tesco's, National Grid, Lithium. Very, very important to be in lithium, of course. Up 23%. Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway, Mr. Warren Buffett, worst stock I've ever owned. Your stock is the worst stock I've ever owned. Yeah, absolutely bloody awful. Warren Buffett, the most famous investor of all time, has the worst stock ever. Berkshire Hathaway, I've never made a single penny from it. It's the worst one I've ever owned. ARK Invest, ICLN, VU. Now, these are all my ETFs, which I invest a lot in technologies, space. I invest a lot in futures like solar, wind, all that kind of stuff. That's what I'm very much into. Then I've got my dividend stocks, as you can see. DIV, SDIV, ARK Invest, SPD, HD. Now we move down to some shares that I want to sell out of. Right, we've got you, Robinhood, GE, Risky-Fied. Risky-Fied has done really well for me. I'm up 30% on that one. Lucid Group, absolutely fantastic, up 12%. That's really doing great today. Harpoon Therapeutics, Pfizer, really good. Carnival, Exos, McAfee, Rev. These are a few I just bought into yesterday. And then we have also Bitcoin. There's my full position for you. And if that changes, I'll update it and let you know. So let's go through. We were just talking about Lucid this morning. That's had a big bounce, up 4% now. My total profit on that is 12%. I only have one share. I used to have a big share in that, but I sold out. Muzanella is here from Florida. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, the family's all here now. Once we get past 10, that means we've got 10 thumbs up. The family is all here. Fantastic. There we go. All right, our average is 15. Still a brand new channel. You're not regarded a seasoned channel, for a few years. Or at least a year. We're only like 7 weeks old, something like that now. And we're 1,400 subscribers, so it's absolutely fantastic. Benjamin asked, what platform do you use? I hope I answered your question. Peter Brazier, why only one cryptocurrency? Okay, that's a good point. Peter, you new here to the channel? Where are you from, Peter? You can see this is my portfolio. This is the view. I get a view. This is me looking at you. This is my TV studio here. Peter, let me learn a bit about you as well, so we can best support what you're doing and we learn from each other. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm from the UK. Well, that's cool to know. I'm from Cornwall in the UK. But I'm based now in Texas. This is where my studio is. But I have my home still in Cornwall. What part of the UK you're from? Why only one cryptocurrency? You asked. Well, let me repeat what I've just said. I've been trading with Robinhood now for just 5 months, and I've grown this from 5,000. This is all profit now. I've taken money out and started again. This is all profit now. And I'm working at 49,000. I was at 51. I need a very balanced, diverse portfolio. Steady growth, even though that's been you might say that's incredible growth. It is, but steady growth. I don't like losing money. Until a couple of days ago, I've never lost on a trade. And I did the other day. I got a bit emotional and I shouldn't have done. But Bitcoin is something I fully understand. This is my Bitcoin position. I expect this to be 100,000 by the end of the year. I would only invest in Ethereum. I believe Ethereum is a proper, stable, future investment. But the rest, Binky Bonk, Donkey Dink, Dogecoin, la-di-da-di-da, all silly, pointless, don't believe in them. I know people do and have huge investments in them. But, a lot of people buy lottery tickets. A lot of people go to the casino. I don't go to the casino at all. I don't like losing money. I like growing money, and that's what we do here. So that's the reason why I only have Bitcoin. I would invest in Ethereum, but I put all my money into Bitcoin, and I'm fine with that. I don't see the world needs... The purpose of a Bitcoin is it's the currency of the internet. You only need one. That's the point. That's why this can be powerful, because it could be like you have one internet. Okay? You have the internet. Then you have one coin. That's the point for me. And Bitcoin is that coin. So for me, I don't see any point in being involved in everything else. Yes, I agree. I think one day Ethereum could replace Bitcoin as the top crypto. It could. I suppose. I don't see that. I don't know. You'll never see me on this show predict the future and tell you how it's going to be. I have beliefs on what I think is going to happen, but no one can tell you what's going to happen. No one. So it's why I have a diverse portfolio. Hey, John, Peter, from the UK. Did you come across from TikTok or did you find us on YouTube? I'd love to know. And what is it you're investing in? What's your portfolio? John Brunette is a great guy. He's a great investor here on the channel. He's actually from Canada. Alicia and Patricia April, they are from Italy. Peter, if I could ask, if you could help us grow here on YouTube. We're a brand new channel, only it's like 6-7 weeks old. And we've got some great technical analysis guys who come in and share their screens. We've got Dr. Nathan Smith, who we learned about yesterday, just secured $600,000 for a grant. Very famous doctor on the internet yesterday, and he was in our show yesterday. If you could give us a thumbs up to the video, it helps the algorithm promote our channel. And if you're interested, subscribe and ring the bell. If you ring the bell and set notifications to all, you'll be notified when we go live with special events that aren't scheduled, so you won't miss anything. And we'd appreciate that as we're trying to grow and share our real trades with you. We're live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. So Peter, how did you learn about us? Was it through TikTok or did you just stumble across us on YouTube? And Bill, of course, from Canada. I came from TikTok. I hold mostly cryptos, and my biggest positions are in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I've seen decent growth so far. I'm still new, kind of new to investing. On this platform, I am. It's only my fifth month. I've traded before with Barclays Bank in the UK. Never made any money because every time I traded, I had to pay £5, and it only makes money for the bank. Whereas I use Robinhood and I absolutely love it. That's why I've managed to come back into the market, and you can see what I've grown from and what I've grown to. Okay. We're currently up 8% on this new position here. My all-time high was here on August 9th at just over 13%. We've dropped back, but that's expected through September. If you can lose a couple of percent through September, you've done well. So anyway, we're going to discuss today some new stocks on the show. You've been asking about, could we look at some new positions, some new stocks? Oh, we've got 14 likes now. Fantastic. The average is 15. We're nearly at the average. Absolutely great. The record was it 40 the other day for the Apple event, but the average is 15. So anything above that at 15, I'm very happy with. All right. So Argo blockchain, it's an IPO coming up, and also Global Star's picked up a little bit this morning. Who's still in Global Star? I've got some news about that you might be interested in, and also Brilliant Earth. These are two new stocks we are looking at, and I'm going to show those to you. All right, this is Argo. This is out in a week or so on the Robinhood app. It may be available in the UK as well for Peter, so you might find this interesting as well. Propelling the future of blockchain. Now a public company that's mining Bitcoin. I'm still in. You're still in Global Star, are you? Yeah. Long-term investing. I made a big mistake there the other day by selling out and back in. It's the first time I got emotional on trading, and I ended up losing money for doing it. I'm really annoyed at myself. It wasn't really very clever, but it is what it is. I did I did it. I can't take it back. But there you go. All right. So let's look at this first one. This is Argo. Okay. It's let me get it for you. Argo blockchain. This is the one expected September 23. So just a few days away. You can be in a pre-IPO with this one. This could be interesting, but the trouble is I'm not really interested in getting in anything right now because I want to prepare for a much better opportunity, that being Rivian with Amazon and Ford. This is quite interesting. Excuse me, let me have a quick cup of tea. But I shared with you yesterday the excuse me, the Argo blockchain. I shared with you yesterday my feelings on this. This is my feeling on it. Cryptocurrency mining. I tried it. I had a go at it. It was fun for a week. I'm not in it anymore. It wasn't suitable for me. But cryptocurrency mining is great, I believe, for the cryptocurrency company, the mining company. It's good for them because if they mine and make money, great. And there's a lot of money to be made in it. This is actually based in England as well. I like it. I like what they're doing, but I believe it's good for them. It's good for them to mine Bitcoin, absolutely. But is it good as an investor? I don't believe so, and I'll tell you why. It's not a long-term investment for a start. Now, that might not bother you. You might go, well, okay, I can invest in it for a week, a day, month, whatever, flip it, make some money, whatever. That could be your view. Remember, on the Robinhood app, you can't flip for 30 days unless you want to be frozen out of future pre-IPOs. So bear that in mind. But it's limited in its time. We've only got maybe 2-3 years left of mining until all Bitcoin, 21 million, has been mined. And then it's over. It's done. It's finished. There is no more mining. So this business will fold up. And then they will have a load of out-of-date tech that nobody want to buy. So is it a good investment for you? Bearing in mind also Bitcoin will become increasingly more expensive to mine and more difficult as we hone in on those last few coins. So is it a good investment? I don't think if it was on Shark Tank they would touch it because there's no future in it. Remember, what's going to make Bitcoin valuable is when all the Bitcoin is mined and done and dusted and finished. Then the Bitcoin will continue to rise. Now, for the company who owns the Bitcoin, great. But remember, we're investing in their mining business, not in their future, money they've got in their pocket. What we're investing in is their mining business. I don't believe this is particularly a good investment. You might disagree. You might think it's absolutely brilliant. Very nice facility here in England. I'm sure it's great. But electricity is a lot more expensive in England than it is here in the US. So I don't know. What do you think about that? Our facilities, it looks great. It's a very, very modern, very clean, sophisticated place, as I would expect in England. I've seen a lot of these mining facilities around the world, and they look like dumps. This is what I'd expect from England. This looks very, very nice. Very, very good. I'm sure they've got very efficient energy. They could probably have solar panels on the roof. I don't know. I've not looked that deep into it. This is just a first look at it today. But my feeling on it is not a good investment. If I wasn't about to put some money into Rivian, then I might actually put some money into it because I like the idea of it, but I think it could be one of those ones that'll pop on the day and everybody will like the idea of it, and it could be like a meme stock. This one, it could be a trend that everybody jumps on. I don't know what you think about that. That could be the case. Have we really got that many people watching the show right now? We've got a record number watching the show. If you're watching the show right now, I'm blown away by the amount of people that are in the show right now watching. We've got the highest number we've ever had in the show watching this morning. Please come into the live chat and let me know that you're here. And let's have a bit of fun with our audience this morning. If you're watching the show right now, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know you're with us right now. It's the biggest number we've ever had. We're a brand new channel. I've never seen that many people watching the show before. I'm a little bit blown away. So come into the live chat, and I'm blown away by the numbers. It's absolutely it's like we're going viral on YouTube or something. If you're in the live chat now, give us a thumbs up. Can you see the numbers? We're exploding on YouTube. I've never seen it like it. I want to find out where everybody's from over on YouTube. So come into the live chat now, say hello, and give us a thumbs up. Really, really appreciate it very much indeed. I can't believe how many we got. All right. If you're here for the very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. No one's coming into the live chat, and I'm like really confused because I've never seen the channel explode like this before. It's amazing. So that's my feeling. How can we have so many people in the watching but no one in the chat? Does anyone know what's going on to my channel right now? It's absolutely bonkers. Right, so anyway, here is my portfolio, and we're actually up right now. This is my position today. Today, we are down slightly, 0.13. Overall, my portfolio is up 8%. I've grown this from 5,000 to 51,000 just in 5 months' time. So there we go. I can't believe it. Now, come on, guys. There's hundreds of you watching the show, right? Come into the live chat right now and say where you're from. Tell me where you're from, because it's all my fault, Bill. I've never seen it like it. There's hundreds of people watching the show and no one in the live chat. I've never seen YouTube do that. I don't know how that's even possible. Anyway, let's go. I want to answer people's questions. So go back to your question. Come into the chat and ask me what you want to know. This is my Bitcoin position live right now. All right. This is my Bitcoin position right now. Newark, Ontario, Canada. That's where Bill's from. Yeah, we've got like a huge, like the record audience. I've never seen anything like it. Facebook, Charlotte Dean. Hello, Charlotte Dean. Charlotte, you're over on Facebook. Could I give you the link to YouTube? I want to introduce you to my family on YouTube. So let me give you the link. I know you're watching me over on Facebook right now, but come and join me. There's something really strange on my channel right now. We are going viral on YouTube, and no one's in the live chat. I don't even know how that's possible. So I don't know what YouTube are doing to me this morning. I've never seen it like it. Right, Charlotte Dean, I've just given you the link to my YouTube link. Come on to YouTube. Come on in, and I'd love to have you here. Right. When you're in the live chat, we've got Alicia from Italy, Patricia from Italy. What's everyone doing? Is everyone sharing the video? Florida, you're always on YouTube. Yes, Charlotte, I'm always on YouTube. But it doesn't help me while you watching me on Facebook. It doesn't help me. I'm trying to grow. I'm always on YouTube. I'm on. I do live shows every day. This is our Bitcoin position right now, and I'm just very emotional right now, as everyone can see, because we are now viral on YouTube and no one's in the live chat. I don't understand what is going on. We're a brand new channel and like we're exploding and no one can tell me why. Should I just calm down and get on with it? I mean, no one's in the chat telling me anything. I don't know what's going on. Right, anyway. Let me look at my analytics. Yeah, look at that. That's just... I don't know what's going on. Anyway, whatever. Let's get on with it. This is my Bitcoin position. Just stay calm, Martin. You know, you wanted a viral video. You got a viral video. Don't know why. No one's in the chat. It doesn't even make any sense. Okay, so here we go. Toronto Stock Exchange watching. But are they really? There's no one in the chat, though. It doesn't make any sense. Right, I'm going to calm down and just get on with it and see what happens, all right? It all went a bit crazy when I talked about this here, so I'm going to do it again. Argo blockchain. Argo blockchain. Would I invest in this? No, I wouldn't, and I've explained why I wouldn't invest in Argo blockchain. It's a new IPO coming up. It's very, very interesting, but I wouldn't invest in it for the simple reason. Got a viral video in, I can't even work out why. No one's in the chat. It's like a magic trick. It's like YouTube's playing magic tricks. All right. So anyway, this is the IPO that's coming up on Robinhood, and a lot of people ask me, should we invest in this? It's the I don't know. Has anybody ever seen before a company like this, a blockchain company, go live, go public? I don't know. I don't know. I've never seen anything like it before. Let's dive down deeper into it. Let's see if it's really worth it. Let's see if this is really worth investing in. Learn more about Argo. Okay. Meet the team. This is what's coming up. Would I invest in a mining company? Now I was mining recently on here in my studio. This is my studio, by the way. Right now, this is what I see of you. This is what I'm looking at when you're looking at me. All right, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, this is the company, and let's go back over to it again. CEO Peter Wall. Peter was a member of management team that funded Argo, and has been responsible for day-to-day operations since the company launched. There's Parry Hochi, CTO. This is the company. Let me get down into. It's the board of directors. I want to know, why Argo? Okay, why should we invest in what Argo? Okay, let's have a look at it. Our 120 in the chat room. It doesn't make any sense. There's nobody here. I'm going viral on YouTube and there's nobody here. Does anyone, if anyone's watching me live right now, there's a brand new channel. We're going viral on YouTube. No one is chatting in the live chat. Could everyone come into the live chat and say hello? I have never in my life seen anything like it. We are breaking history here on YouTube. Anyway, let's carry on talking because it's so bizarre. Right. Okay. Why Argo? It's good. Would you invest in Argo? I don't know. We are multi-talented, dynamic team of mining and blockchain network experts. Is anybody out there? Yeah, it's unbelievable, right? Dynamic team of mining and blockchain network experts, technologists, entrepreneurs, and engineers from all walks of life. Our mission is centered on running an efficient mining infrastructure that supports the continued growth, innovation, and function of the world's top blockchain networks. So it's not just Bitcoin. Understanding crypto. Okay. Cryptocurrencies are the future of money and are poised to revolutionize our global economy. I agree with that. Their universal access allows anyone with an internet connection and to utilize the power of this innovative technology. It's very hard to it's very hard to keep a straight face when I see this happening, and yet I don't understand it. I do not understand how there is 160 people watching on YouTube. There's something strange going on because it can't be happening. I'm telling you that now, folks. It can't be happening. This is really weird. There's no one in the, there's only 14 of you chatting. We've only got 14 likes. If everybody watching right now would give me a thumbs up, click the thumbs up, I will do something I've never done before on the show live. Drillian Damage, Martin, get suited and booted. Your channel is exploding. It doesn't make sense. There's no one here. It doesn't make any sense. Enjoy it. Who's ever had a viral video and there's no one in the chat? It doesn't make any sense. Is it happening? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. End of the day, I'll do some analytics and have a look at it. All right, crypto. Will IPO soon? Yeah. This is the IPO that's coming up on YouTube. This is the IPO that's coming up on Robinhood very, very shortly. Absolutely nuts. I've never seen anything like it. A viral video in the making, and there's no one in the chat. Right. Cryptocurrency. All right, let's go down. Mining. And this is what's important. Give us a thumbs up if you're watching the video right now. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding a new blockchains to a blockchain ledger. Each new block of transactions has a complex mathematical hash function associated with that, requires significant computing power to solve. The miner who solves the function first receives a Bitcoin. I think mentioning GSAT did it. Is that what it did? Muzanella? Is that what it did it? Mate, could all of you guys in the chat, Muzanella, Bill, Patty, Alicia, can you talk to these people and ask them to thumbs up the video? Say something, because they're not listening to me. Something's weird. This can't happen. Whatever's happening now just can't happen. It's really, really weird. All right, so I'm excited, but it's like I've never had anything like it. I've worked really hard for years and years and years to blow up a channel, and I don't know. Is my subscribers going up? Let me look at my subscribers. Has anyone subscribed to the channel? 1,349. No, not. I've gained 4 subscribers, perhaps, maybe. I don't know what's happening. If someone could tell me what's happening, I've never seen anything like it. I need to get back to being on it because I'm all over the place. I'm emotional. I don't know what's going on to my channel. Right, I'll just ignore it and say something. We say something we want out. Say something we want. We want our friend to succeed. Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, in effect, it's quite strange. You ain't kidding. It's unheard of. It's never happened. I've been doing YouTube for years, and it doesn't make any sense. Hello there. We've got some friends on TikTok watching me. TikTok friends, if you want to watch something really exciting right now, do you want to watch a YouTube channel which is exploding, and no one knows why? If you want to see it, click here. And click the profile link just here and come into my YouTube channel. You will see something that will blow your mind. Okay, I'm not at all kidding. Let me share with you my my screen. Let me show you what I'm seeing. This is my YouTube channel right now. Let me go to the day trader. Okay, and if I click on this video. Share this video with you. This will be a bit weird. I'm playing the video that we're on right now, so I don't know how it's going to work. Can you see there on the screen? Can you see? I need to mute it. If I click on this video, there we go. I need to mute it. That's going to confuse it otherwise. All right, and now we're going to get the video in video thing. Right, look. Okay. Let me scroll down. I'm going to show you what I can see. Okay. Right, can you see there? Can you see how many people are watching? Look, see that? Look. That's what I'm looking at there. 100. There you go. See the people that are watching? That's what I can see. That's a viral video right there. How to blow up a viral video right now. With nobody in the chat. I'm going to make a video on this now. I need to record it. All right. So look at this, everybody. We are witnessing YouTube history here this morning on my channel. This is my channel right now. Okay. Right. This is my channel right now, and from my studio, and as you can see in the live chat, I have 150 people watching, and yet no one in the chat. It's the most bizarre thing. My channel is going viral, and yet there's no one in the live chat. Has anyone ever seen anything like this? This is the most bizarre, strangest situation in the history of the world. Anyway, whatever. Let's go. We've now recorded that. So there we go. I'm just making a live video right now. This is a live video that's going to go out later on as a main video. This is happening live right now on my channel. If you look at my watching right now, this is really happening. My channel is going viral as I talk to you. and I've never seen anything like it, because there's actually nobody in the live chat. I don't know how this is happening or why this is happening, but we thank you for it, for whatever reason it is. Thank you very much indeed. So there we go. If you want to know how to grow a YouTube channel and go viral, just keep doing it, and one day this happens. That's all I can say. I've never seen anything like it. If you're watching right now, give us a thumbs up. You're being part of history with a YouTube channel going viral with nobody in the chat. All right, so let's see if we can make this video go viral, right? So here we go. Click subscribe and ring the bell if you're watching right now. There you go. See that? Look, this is quite interesting because you're seeing the video above the video. Maybe they don't know how to go live chat. I don't know. No, it doesn't make sense. This whatever's happening now isn't real. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's happening. But we'll just keep following it for a moment. But anyway, let's go back after all that craziness to the main video of what we're actually doing here today and why you're here. I need to respect my audience and come back to what we're actually doing and let the craziness carry on. All right. Okay. Well, wow. It's because you're talking about the IPO. Can't be. Look at this. The stocks have just exploded. Might be a setup. Look at this. What has just risen? We are going nuts here. Right, Amazon. It's not Amazon. What is happening? Is it Virgin Galactic? I would expect. Tesla is up today, 0.3. So live on the show, we're going viral on YouTube. All these stocks are down. It's got to be SBCE. We're going to come across to it. It's got to be. What is going on? Something has exploded. It could be, of course, Bitcoin. Oh, there we go. Virgin exploding. There it is. There's the money right there. Virgin is exploding right now. We are now up nearly 3% this morning. This is the best position I've ever been in with Virgin Galactic. We're now up 3%. I'm now 14% down. This is absolutely fantastic. If we can rise another 14%, they've obviously released the news of they've sorted that part out. I bet that's what it is. That component that wasn't working properly, they probably sorted it out, and they probably announced a test flight. Shall we Google it and see? Because Virgin Galactic is on fire now. We've just gone up 3%, and that's a very big position for me. It's my second biggest stock I have. So there we go, up nearly 3%. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Okay, Virgin Galactic is now exploding, 2.53. 2.51. Let's go. Let's see if Virgin. Let's go to breaking news. Let's find if Virgin Galactic news. Okay. Let's see if there's any news 2 days ago. No, it's something that's happened today. Virgin Galactic news. Virgin Galactic has one very big problem. That was 2 days ago. Virgin Galactic delays 3 days ago. Can you all look for it? Let's try and find why Virgin Galactic has just gone up. Latest breaking news. This is probably out of date, though. That's the trouble. This is SpaceX aiming for night launch. Yeah, that's not what we're talking about. That's no good. There's got to be... maybe if I look on Twitter... Twitter. Let me go into Twitter and Virgin Galactic. Let's see if we can find something there. Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look for it. There's some breaking news somewhere, because this wouldn't be happening for a reason. A new space age is coming. Virgin. Let's go into Virgin Galactic. Let's see. Are they posting anything? September the 2nd. No, that's a while ago. August 31st. They're not posting anything. There's nothing being said anywhere, but yet shares are rocketing. Look, Carnival is up 2% this morning. Look, we're now 2.5%, and we're still rising. I bet are you happy with all this? 49.1. Google Space Calendar, Unity 23 on schedule for October 15. And all clear from the FAA. There we go. That's what it is. Right. Google Space Calendar, Unity 23 on schedule for October 15th mission, and all clear from FAA. I am hopeful will send space rocketing to $30. Yes, it will. Google Space Calendar. Is that what you typed in? Google Space Calendar. Ford is up 1.767. Yeah, Ford is on fire as well. This is great. I've never made money with Ford. Rolls-Royce is up 2% today. We are having a great day. Absolutely on everything's popping this morning. Lucid is up 5%. Oh, blimey, we've had a really good return for Lucid as well. Incredible. Carnival up 2%. Absolutely fantastic. Exos 6.04. That's great. Right, well, let's keep our eye on for the McAfee is up. We're seeing a very, 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 very good day today. I wonder how high we can go with this. I would like, because I want to make some profit out of this. And all my friends over there on TikTok, if you're watching on TikTok, you want to be part of the show, click the profile link here and you'll see my YouTube icon. Click that and I'm here live on YouTube, sharing my screens, sharing everything with you. Bill is tickled. A quote from Yahoo Stock Chat. Brilliant. So there we go. Unity 23 on schedule for October 15th mission. And all clear from FAA, I am hopeful, will send space rocketing to $30. If it goes to $30, I will... how often do you go live? Well, we go live every morning for the opening bell and closing bell. Let me show you my schedule, Peter. Let me show you how we do it here on the Day Trader. Right, let me share with you my channel. It's gone back now. It's gone back to normal. I don't know what the heck happened there. It was quite a moment, right? Bit of history for everybody. Right, this is the Day Trader. This is where you are right now. Okay? I have 4 channels. The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas, the main channel. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. And every afternoon, here in my studio, I'll turn around for you. Just over here, look. Every evening, I go live on the Martyn Lucas channel and do my live request show. If you've got a loved one or a friend, I do them live songs. That's 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern time. In the UK, that'll be 10 in the evening for you. I get a lot of UK people come in and request songs. Okay, that's that channel. I have these other channels as well, which I just launched, brand new channels. Which I just launched where people send in their videos, all right? But for the Day Trader, upcoming live streams, you look here and you can see. And if you click on these, this will tell you the time zone for you. So I go live at this time when you join in today, which is at 8 a.m. So for you, it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And the 2:30 show will be 6:30 in the evening. That's the opening and closing show. Every day, every weekday. I take a half an hour break and then I come back with the live concert. We grab a beer and we celebrate. Elton John named me World Piano Man in 2002, and that's where we do a live request show, and I do all sorts of stuff in that, and that's a fun afternoon. All right, so there you go. That will tell you. But if you've rung the bell, you'll be notified when I go live, because there are breaking news events. If suddenly something happens in the market, I go live, and if you've rung the bell, you'll be notified when that is. But thank you for showing interest in our channel. We appreciate it very much indeed. So there you go. That's the opening and closing bell every weekday. If you click on these, it'll tell you in your time zone. All right. I hope that explains everything for you. Up 1.96, Bill. I bet you're happy, right? I bet you're happy. Oh, it's just dropped back a little bit. Yeah. Did anybody sell off there? I wouldn't be surprised if a few people sold off there and made some money. Yeah, there we go. I'm not surprised that happened. That was a pump and dump situation. It flew up on the breaking news and people made some money and dropped it back again. But that's fine. I'm just holding everything and waiting. That's great. What about Bitcoin right now? Where's that? That's still dropping. So considering I'm down nearly 2% on Bitcoin, my portfolio is looking really good. And October 15 should allow me, should be in time to make that profit for me then to be able to get out a lot of money for the Rivian investment. All right? That's what I think is going to happen. Okay. Well, this morning we missed the bell. We got all excited about everything. We missed the bell. Completely messed that up. But there you go. We've got 14 likes now in the house. So give us a thumbs up, and let's try and get the average. The average is 15. 15 thumbs up. The record was 40. Today, with hundreds watching, I don't know what that was all about. Give us a thumbs up, and that would be absolutely fantastic. All right. So, Peter Brazier. John Brunette's from Canada. So is Bill today. Our Martin Redding, Kenneth, our technical analysis guy, isn't with us this morning. In fact, Kenneth hasn't been with us last couple of days. I hope he's okay. Dras. Oh, shall we talk about NRXP? NRXP. What's that doing? Do we even dare look? It's down today 1%. Should we look at the week? Yeah, down 13%. It's had an awful run, and our friend Dras hasn't been here since this happened. We've got a member of the show who actually came in to the show and told us that all his money is on NRXP, and he has only one stock, a big amount, and. So we all got excited about it and we all bought in, and then I think all of us have lost money. I think a few of the team still have some money in NRXP, but I lost quite a bit of money on it, and it's continued to drop and drop and drop and drop and drop. So it's a very you got to have balls of steel. And Dras hasn't been into the show since all this occurred, and I hope he's okay. He's very welcome in. You know, these things happen. SPCE, are we moving up again now? Ford is having a good day. Look at Ford today, up 1.6%. SPCE is moving again. We're now up 3%. It's not dropping off. This is absolutely great. It's my second biggest position. This isn't the bounce I've been waiting for. This is just the good news that we're moving in the right direction. That's what this is. Okay, so I'm now down 14% on it, but which is down $1,000 right now. But we are moving up, so it's all good. Not going to sell anything yet. Very, very good. Could it be the day that this explodes? Who knows? Who knows? My portfolio is bouncing around that 49,001. It's all coming on the back of SPCE right now. Still rising. Shall we expand the chart and look a bit deeper into this? Let's have a look. Let's see the volume. Let's see the numbers. It's all because of this report that's just come out. There we go. Look at that buying. There's been some profit taking, of course, bound to be. But a great, great day for Virgin Galactic today. Absolutely fantastic. Very, very excited about it, as you can see. Really, really good. Very, very excited, as you can see. That really, really is picking up now. 2.98%. I'm down just 14. I hope you have a great day. I love your energy. Crystal May, thank you very much indeed. Crystal May and all my friends on TikTok, I would love you guys to join my family, to be part of the team. All right, I'm going to invite you right in now to meet all my team, to be part of our viral video on YouTube, and you'll see our trading screens and my money and everything, rather than just my face and voice. Click the profile right here. See the profile link right here, and you'll see my YouTube link. Click on the YouTube link, and you will be live in the show. It'll take you 5 seconds, and that will bring you right directly to the show. Click the profile link here, and the YouTube icon is right there. Come and join us, and you will see Crystal May 1414. I would love to invite you in so you can meet all my team and see exactly what we're trading on now. So there you go. Click on the profile link and come into YouTube. The link is right there for you. All right. Well, look at Virgin Galactic now up 2.9. I might even celebrate. Shall I celebrate? Shall I do Rocket Man? Shall I celebrate live on the show because Virgin Galactic is going to the moon? Shall I? Shall I do Rocket Man from the piano? I'm thinking about it. I'm going to do Rocket. I am. I'm going to do Rocket Man from the piano because it's exploding. Yeah, I am. Okay, I'm gonna go over to the piano and I'm gonna do Rocket Man because we are seeing Virgin Galactic explode right now. Okay, all right. All right, here we go. Okay. We're live here at the piano. Let me just move the camera slightly. Because it's in slightly wrong place. I don't know if I can move it. Is that any better? Okay, that's a bit better, right? Okay, here we go. We're going to do Rocket Man live on the show because literally as we play this, the stock price is surging and this is what we've been waiting for. I'm so excited. So here we go. Here is Rocket Man live on the show, and this has never been done before. She packed my bags that sniper flight. 0 hour. 9 a.m. Gonna be high as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much. I miss my wife. It's lonely out in space. Such a timeless flight like this, yeah. think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man that think I am at home. Oh no, oh no, I'm a rockin' man. Rockin' man, burning out his fuse apart alone. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids. In fact, it's cold as hell. There's no one there to raise them if you did. And all the signs I don't understand. It's just my job 5 days a week. Rockin' man, yeah. Rockin' man. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man that think I am at home. Oh no, oh no, I'm a rockin' man. Rockin' man, burning out his fuse apart alone. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. There we go, Virgin Galactic finally exploding for us. This is really great stuff. Okay, let's go back to the main trading screens again now. That was a bit of fun. A little bit of extra stuff put into the show. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me get back over to the main trading screen. Thank you very much for allowing me to do that. For all of you, thank you very much. Let's go back over here now. Okay, we're back again now with you all. Look at that. That was a bit of fun, right? Wasn't it? A bit of excitement for a minute. Let me show you the other side of the studio now. It's all full of smoke, look. We're all full of smoke. There we go. That's what you can see now, look. Okay. Did our friend come over from you? Where's Bungalow? I finally figured out how to get here. It's Crystal May. Crystal May. Is Crystal May still here? Let's welcome Crystal May into the party. Oh, wrong microphone. Sorry. Is that better? Can you hear me now? Okay. Is that working now? Hello all. Hey, Dr. Nathan Smith, you just missed a historic moment. You missed a historic moment this morning here on the channel. You just want to rewind it a little bit because we did something. That's better. Yay, better. Thank you very much. We've had a historic day today. We had hundreds of people watching the show on YouTube. It exploded. All of a sudden, like 100, 200 people came into the show. Rewind it back and you'll see I shared the screen. We went viral for about 5 minutes. Literally, hundreds of people were in the chat. Sorry, they wasn't in the chat. That was what's really weird. But they were watching. And then Virgin Galactic exploded. So I jumped on my piano and I did Rocket Man. From the back of the studio. You can see the haze is just fading away now. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. Look, Virgin Galactic is exploding this morning on the news that the test flight has been confirmed, which I knew it would be. I knew they'd sort that out. Really exciting stuff. So there we go. I see Lucid is as well. It is Lucid. Let's go back to Lucid as well. It was really weird when all those people were watching. Wow, Lucid, 8%. Oh, I get really excited about all these things, but like Lucid Dreams. Oh, I'm lost for words. When you're in a stock, I had $2,000. John Brunette said you want to be in Lucid, and I wasn't in for ages, and then I sold out and I did something else. But I bought in and so on. I had $2,000 in here. I would have made a small fortune. But there you go. There you go. Whoa, 13% in a week. Oh, this is very, very, very good news for Lucid Group, isn't it? This is absolutely wonderful. Over the last 3 months, they're starting to really now rocket. Those cars are coming out. It's absolutely fantastic. That's really, really good. But there you go. What a wonderful day they're having at Lucid. I bet they're all happy. I bet the investors are happy. I've made $3. Reports have confirmed that it's the first EV car with a 500. I know, I read that yesterday. That's huge. That really is huge. And I'm just watching it go up and sat on the sidelines. Yeah, it is what it is, right? It's just going to is that going to continue to go all day long like that? Let's have a look. Let's expand the chart and let's have a look. There you go. Look at that. Really, really great candles. Really, really good volume. Really, really good. Congratulations to those guys. It's very hard to get a new company off the ground like that, especially when the competition is so high. But that is phenomenal. John Brunette said this could be didn't you, when you talked about it, this could be serious competition for Tesla. It's got an extremely long way to go. It's got to take on a giant, but nevertheless, that's some growth in a day in a market like that. So let's look at my overall portfolio. I can't believe it. How am I down slightly? That'll be because Bitcoin's probably. Remember, Bitcoin is one of my biggest parts of my portfolio. So if Bitcoin's down, look, Bitcoin is down 1.5% today. But that's disappointing that I'm down today with these results. This is definitely a long-term hold. Yeah, it is. Absolutely, it is. But look, Virgin Galactic up 3%. We're just, this is great. I'm so excited about it. Finally seeing something here positive. I don't know if our friend who came over from TikTok is still here. Where's Bungilder? Where's Bungilder? It's Crystal May. Crystal May. He or she, I don't know. But anyway, not here in the live chat right now. Okay, guys, it's time for me to get off. Go back and rewind the video, Dr. Smith. A lot to share with you today. It was very, very exciting. So go and check it out. Have a little look at it and see what you think. It was very exciting when it happened. But I'm going to get off now. I've got to get to water aerobics, and I'll see you all back later on today for the closing bell. It's going to be an interesting day today. Of course it is. I wonder if we'll have a lot of sell-offs and this will drop back because people are making profits they've not seen for a while with Virgin. Drop it back, Friday sell-off, and then pick up again on Monday. I don't know. It could well be, but I do think that Virgin is currently extremely undervalued. We were at 4. If you look back, when I first had interest in Virgin, we had pops like this. Look, 52. Up here 55. We've been down for quite a while right now, but it's time to see those recoveries come, and I'm excited about it because this is really going to make a huge difference to my portfolio. So there we go. Good stuff. All right, I'm going to get off. Thank you ever so much, everybody. We got 16 likes today. We had hundreds watching. Don't know what that was all about, but. YouTube tested me out to see how I'd react under pressure, and I failed miserably. I was so excited, I didn't know what to do about it. I've never had a live viral video. I've had viral videos recorded, but never a live viral video. That was a live viral video, and it was very exciting, and I got a bit carried away. Didn't know what to do about it. It came and went. I don't know what to say about it. But anyway, thanks for all being here. It's been a good day today. What's the scores today? Who wins the day? Who wins? I am down 0.03, and I can't work out why. It's just, it must be hard. Is it hard? What is it? What has brought me down so much? Exos is up. McAfee is down slightly. What's everyone's score today? I'm trying to find out. I mean, Bitcoin's now recovering. Where's my losses coming from? It must be Harpoon Therapeutics, because it must be that, is it? Oh yeah, down 2.5%. There we go. That's not helping. That's only $22. Well, what is it? Oh, Lucid. Lucid is now hitting 11%. 10.5% now. Lucid is absolutely going to the moon today. Wow, 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 wow. What can I say about it? Robinhood is now taking off. I don't know where my losses are coming from. Rolls-Royce is up 1.36 as well. Ford is up today. I can't work out how I'm down. Moosenella is down 0.49. Virgin Galactic is now up 3.5%. Wow. Where the heck are my losses coming from? Microsoft, I've got it's not that either. Google, we're seeing some big losses in the tech industry like that. Vanguard, I don't understand it. Disney's up 1.23. AT&T is up. Well, I'd have to go through my entire portfolio, but everything is great. Johnson & Johnson, okay, $22. But really, I don't know why I'm down. I don't know. I'm up 0.02. Okay, I don't know how. I was down 5.45 yesterday. I'm down 0.49. So Moosenella, much better position for you. So who wins? Is it me? I'm dead flat right now. I'm going to call it in 10 seconds. Does anybody beat me? I'm dead flat this morning. No idea how. I should be up 5% or something. I don't know what that is. All right, so I'm 0. Do I win? No one else? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to call it me. I'm very excited. I'm going to call it me. Yep, I'm the winner. You're too late. I am the winner on the morning. Remember, the competition is for the day, so you have to come back at the end of the day to claim the prize. It's the best day trader, not the best morning trader. All right, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you all back in a short while for the closing bell and the drive home. This is a very, very exciting Friday on all counts, all levels. See you back in a bit, everybody. Take care of yourselves and each other.